Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raka Adiputra, a student of the Pancasakti University English Education Faculty. Here, I will relate the Crazy Rich Asian film to fulfill the midterm exam assessment. Crazy Rich Asian is a 2018 romantic comedy film directed by John M. Chu, from a screenplay by Peter Chiarelli and Adele Lim, based on the 2013 novel of the same title by Kevin Kwan. The film stars Constance Wu, Henry Golding, Gemma Chan, Lisa Lu, Awkwafina, Ken Jeong, and Michael Yeoh. It follows a Chinese-American professor who travels to meet her boyfriend's family and is surprised to discover they are among the richest in Singapore. Constance Wu as Rachel Chu, Nick's girlfriend and Carrie Doctor. Henry Golding as Nick Young, Rachel boyfriend, and Philip and Eleanor Sun. Gemma Chan as Astrid Leong Theo, Nick cousin and Michael's wife, a fashion icon and socialite. Lisa Lu as Sang Suyi, Nick grandmother and the matriarch of the family. Awkwafina as Goh Pei Lin, Rachel charismatic, confident, and best friend, and Wei Moon daughter. Ken Jeong as Goh Wei Moon, Pei Lin's wealthy father. Michael Yeoh as Eleanor Sung Yeoh, Nick domineering mother and Philip's wife. Crazy Rich Asian author Kevin Kwan has a cameo appearance during the Radio 1 Asia Sequence. Singer Kina Grannis cameos as Colin and Araminta wedding. Singer dari The Marriage Sequence and Harrison Jr. makes a brief appearance as Astrid ex-Finance Charlie Wu in a mid-credit scene. Nick Young and his girlfriend Rachel Su, an economic professor at New York University and New York native, travel to Singapore for the marriage of his best friend Colin to Armanita. In Singapore, Rachel visits her college friend Paisley and her family, who are shocked when she tells them she is dating Nick. Paisley reveals that Nick's family are extremely wealthy and famous members of high society. At a dinner party at the Young estate, Nick introduced Rachel to his mother Eleanor, while his cousin Astrid discovers that her husband Michael, who comes from a more humble background than the Youngs, has been having an affair. Rachel senses that Eleanor dislikes her. At Armanita's bachelorette party, Rachel meets Amanda, who reveals she is Nick's former girlfriend and hints Rachel might not be able to integrate into such a high-class family with her lower background. Rachel finds her hotel room vandalized by the other girls, who deem her a gold digger, but is comforted by Astrid. Nick attends Colin's bachelor bachelor party, where he reveals to Colin his plan to propose to Rachel. Colin expresses his concern about the trouble it will cause them, especially with Nick being expected to stay in Singapore and run his family's corporation, and Rachel loving her job in New York, as well as the difference their status. Nick apologizes to Rachel for not telling her who he really was and tells her to Maki Josie, dumping with his family. Eleanor recounts the sacrifice she made to become a part of the Young family, and makes judge at Rachel for her American background. Eleanor let privately recount to Rachel how Nick's father had to cast his own green ring to propose to her. As Nick's grandmother, disapproved of Eleanor and refused to give him the family ring. She tells Rachel that she will never be or his family. Peg Lynn convinces Rachel to stand up to Eleanor and earn her respect. On the day of the wedding, a sweet comfort became about his affair only to learn that he blames his unhappiness and the financial disparity between them on her. During the wedding reception, Eleanor and Nick's grandmother privately confront Rachel and Nick. Using the findings of a private investigation, Eleanor reveals that Rachel's father is alive, and Rachel was convicted of an extramarital affair, after which her mother, Carrie, left her husband and fled to the United States. They demand that Nick stop seeing Rachel for fear of being linked to such a scandal. Rachel is stunned, as Carrie had told that her father was dead. She flees and stays at Felix Lynn's home, continuing to lie in bed, feeling depressed, refusing to eat any food, and unwilling to speak to Nick. Carrie arrived in Singapore, explaining that her husband was abusive and that the conflict of an old classmate turned into love and a surprise pregnancy. She fled with baby Rachel in fear that her husband would kill them. Carrie reveals that Nick was the one who called her to Singapore and urged Rachel to talk to him. When they met, Nick apologized and proposed to Rachel, saying he is willing to leave his family behind to be with her. Rachel arranges to meet Eleanor at a mahjong parlor over a game of mahjong. She reveals to Eleanor that she disliked Nick's proposal, so his relationship with his family would not be ruined, before placing the tile that allows Eleanor to win. She tells Eleanor to remember that when Nick eventually marries someone who lives up to her standard, it will be because of a selfish act on the part of Rachel, a girl Eleanor locked down to viewpoint. Rachel reveals her deal, which so she allowed Eleanor to win the game and lives with Carrie. Meanwhile, Astrid moves out, telling Michael his ego and insecure cause their marriage to fail. Eleanor has a meeting with Nick, emotionally affected by her exchange with Rachel. Rachel and Carrie board a flight back to New York City at Singapore Changi Airport. but are interpreted by Nick, who proposed with Eleanor Granling, symbolizing her blessing in their recent aspect, and the stay in Singapore formed an engagement party, where Eleanor nods at Russell in acknowledgement, Russell having finally earned her respect. In a mad credit scene, Astrid and her ex-boyfriend Charlie Wu spot each other at the party. She discreetly smiled. Thank you for watching my video. That's all I can say. If there is a word or storyline error, please forgive. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.